Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix page isn't available right now problem on Instagram. Let's get started. At first, go to your phone settings. Now scroll down. Now click on apps. Now click on Manage Apps. Now search Instagram. Allow all permissions. Clear data. Go back. Restart your device. Go to Play Store. Make sure Instagram app is updated. Now update Instagram app. Now open it. Problem solved.